Welcome to Greenopolis. An innovatively designed habitat integrating open green areas. More than 500 apartments are ready to live with ample green spaces. Three-tier security. Sufficient car parking. Advanced fire safety equipments. Connectivity with 75-meter wide road. All major destinations are within reach. Convenience like hospitals, schools, malls and major industries are close by. Modern landscaping with water bodies. Lush green area with badminton courts. Sports equipped dedicated play like chessboard. Double-height tower lobbies with designated drop-off areas.